Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will continue my tarot deck. I will be making Arcana 1, the Magician. After drawing the character, I replace all the lines with the welding iron. The table in front of the Magician only has 3 legs because the Magician starts the inside path. He is the novice. He makes the choice to start something that will or will not be finished in the future. That's why the table only has 3 legs. The 4th is in the future. In the table, the coins symbolize the earth element and the material world. The knife symbolizes the element of air and the will to choose the path of initiation. The cup symbolizes the water element, sensitivity and calm. Beneath the table, we see a rose representing his soul that opens as he begins the path of initiation. His hat is in the shape of the symbol of infinity, no beginning or end, but also the symbol of the rhythm of breathing and blood circulation. In his hand, a stick, symbol of the fire element. It symbolizes power, the ability to act, and its great agility. His work seems to be a game. He doesn't need to think about what he's doing. He is totally in the present. Here, I try the shading head of my new pyrography tool. The Magician asks us to learn first concentration without effort, turning work into a game. Make any servitude you accepted softer, and let any burden you carry be light. The Magician asks us to be like a little children who don't work but play. They are very focused on their game. They live in the present moment. Here, I apply a layer of gold leaf glue and I let it dry until it becomes transparent. Then I lay down the gold leaf and press to see the line left by the pyrography tool. Here I add some brown to make the gold leaf more antique. Meaning of the colors. Gold means the divine, the hidden knowledge of the ancient to which he will be initiated. Red represents fire, energy, and action. Yellow represents air, the divine, work, and metamorphosis. Green represents earth, hope, vitality, and resistance. Blue represents water, spirituality, knowledge, passivity in the traditional sense of the word, which means what you can do nothing about. The symbolism of color and object will be repeated from one arcana to another with a few nuances. This is due to the position of the arcana in the deck. I will go further in symbolism when we make the tarot reading. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.